definitely going to be checking out jewelry and perfume. Follow me. Yes, so guys, I am just checking out the jewelry today. They have a lot of jewelry in store, and I was so excited because y'all, they had Gucci too. However, I did speak with a Gucci representative at a Gucci store, and they cannot confirm that merchandise that TJ Maxx is selling is authentic because they are saying that they are not an authorized dealer, and they gave me a list. Yeah, I'm at the jewelry counter now, and it looks like they do have some actual designer jewelry in here. I see Gucci for like $200 for like little chains and stuff like that. But I mean, they are so small and dainty. It's like, no. And I would actually like some earrings. There's some for $2.99. But my thing is I would have to actually see these on the website. Like, do they actually sell these on the website? Have they ever sold them on the website? Because I'm not buying no secondhand stuff from TJ Maxx that ain't legit. And I get it. They claim that they are legit, but I don't know. I like to buy stuff like this from the actual store and then kind of price how much it's going to be. Like I said, those earrings are $2.99. Those are really cute though. And then I love the jewelry box that they actually come in. Well, that one's not as immaculate as the others. Like the big boxes. I like those, but I couldn't see me even caring about these. Now I do like this one right here. That's really cute. That's really cute, and that's $3.50. So of course, but that's really cute. I love that one. I like that one also. You can't really see it from here. Let me see if I can get it a little bit more. That was really cute too. But yeah, they got some nice jewelry in here too with the TJ Maxx. Kendra Scott. Okay, I know they have stores of hers in the mall. Kendra Scott. I remember reading about her story, about how she got started and stuff like that. And then they've got Coach jewelry, and the Coach jewelry is like $30, so that's not too bad. Here's one for $40. Bracelets. I don't even know if I can fit a Coach bracelet. That is cute, but because I know it's costume and fake, I would never. But it is $50 for that. That's cute. These bracelets, like I said, are like $39.99. They got some Bessie Johnson. Look at this. I hope you can see this. That is so cute. That's Bessie Johnson. That is so cute. Now this stuff I really like. Yeah, ma'am, come here real quick. So I didn't want to ask all on camera, but I asked the lady was it real, and she said yes. But y'all, the thing that has got my most attention is this Bessie Johnson key ring. This is so cute. That is Bessie Johnson always has like some really cute, authentic type stuff, you know. I like those bracelets for $16.99, but of course you can get this type of stuff cheaper at Shein because they sell knockoff Louis Vuitton too. But this stuff is really cute. It's all costume and fake, so I would never, but it's really cute. And I mean, I actually would. I just wouldn't do it at that price. I'm gonna go to Shein and get it for $2. In this store, I did ask if it was authentic, and they said yes. So there you have it. Now I'm gonna take a look at the perfumes real quick. I always like to come and see if they got any Kate Spade, and they do. They have 2 bottles of Kate Spade right there. The pink one, the pink and white one. That's my favorite. It's called New York, Kate Spade New York, and it smells amazing. But you know they keep the same stuff that all the other stores have. TJ Maxx. I bet you this smells good though. I think this is one I've already got though. Daisy by Marc Jacobs. Unfortunately, they keep this stuff locked up, so you can't really see very well what's in here. But they do have some really good ones. I have this, y'all. I'm not the Honey by Marc Jacobs. It's okay. I don't have Daisy, but see, they got some really good ones here that I might have to try. What I end up doing though is I end up going into like Macy's, the department stores and stuff like that, and I go smell them, and then I'll come here and actually purchase what I want, because of course they're going to be a little bit cheaper. But y'all, if you see this, if you ever see this, grab it. This smells amazing. Grab that one. That smells so good. And then over here we just got Versace and Coach. Sorry. Juicy. And then they got some Gucci too. Gucci floor actually does smell good. It's $100. Like, child. I don't know why it would be $100. I didn't think they would be that high. At a store like this, ain't like $100 in the actual grocery store. I don't know. Dolce & Gabbana like blue. They got a little Christmas set of that. Which I have a love-hate relationship with this, because I bought my son Dolce & Gabbana when he was in high school several years ago. He graduated high school in 2012. And a security guard stole his bottle out of his backpack. When you know they go through the metal detectors. We have metal detectors in Kansas City, Missouri. That's where I'm from. They stole his bottle of cologne. He only wore it one time. That day, he wore it and somebody stole it. I was like, no, y'all did. But yeah, so I never bought that again. I don't know how much this bottle is. I cannot see it. Let's see if I can look in the back. It's $79 for that Gucci bottle. So that small one is $79. But guys, I think that is it. Other than, I'm sorry. Other than these little, I'm not sure what those are. I never really go through those. But I mean, all you know now is we got soaps and stuff like that. I really should get me some air freshener though, because where I'm staying at, the the bathroom doesn't really, it's like the vent stinks to me. So I might get me some air freshener if I can find some. But yeah, they got soaps and stuff like that. That's it here. I'm not gonna go through all the hair care and the skincare and stuff like that, but they got a lot. I don't know if y'all can see anything that you would like. Excuse me. But y'all, this part gets so overwhelming for me because what is all this? I actually am doing another video about my skin regimen that I am using as far as that TikTok soap. So stay tuned for that. I did day 1 today. I'm just going to do about 5 days of just to see if it does anything for my skin. As far as this stuff, I'm probably not going to really too much go through this because I have no idea what none of this stuff is, y'all. I'm not really a skincare type of person. I do like hair care stuff though. And they just got the basics. The stuff that last one of them has the same stuff. One thing that I don't ever see is anything that's really, really like natural. And that's kind of like what I'm on. I will throw some aloe in my hair before I put any of this stuff in it. So yeah, I wash my hair though. I do use cheap products to wash my hair. But sometimes, y'all, that smells so chemically induced also that I hate using that. But I forgot the name of the stuff that you get from like the Whole Foods store. It's like shampoo, Dr. something. I don't remember. But yeah, not really too much into any of this stuff because I don't do color in my hair. Yeah. But I try to stay away from a whole lot of chemicals. I have been using Mael though, and it doesn't look like they sell stuff like Mael here. So this is probably not something that I would be interested in this part either. As far as like oils and stuff like that, I put in coconut oil, castor oil, argan oil, olive oil. Yeah, I don't really use too much of this stuff. I do use some things sometimes, like that mayo. I use it because of the smell. But ultimately, I be blended up aloe and drained it, and that's my cream. And then I put oil on top of it, and my liquid is water. Most of this stuff has alcohol and stuff like that in it. And then of course I put this weave in my hair, so, or these extensions, so that's no better. But ultimately, I try to leave a lot of this stuff alone. But this is what we're working with as far as like hair care products. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see this in more detail, or if you're looking for certain brands and stuff like that. Let me know, and when I find it, I will shout it out and show you where you can actually get it. For those that like lashes, ooh, them is huge. They're $3 though. But yeah, it's a lot of stuff. I don't know what half of this stuff is. But guys, I really enjoy making this video, as I always do. Oh, Myers. This is soap and stuff like that. So hand soap. This is the soap, but here's the Dr. Bonner's brand that I use. However, I use the purple one, lavender, and the reason why I ended up getting the lavender one is because it was on sale at the time. Let me see what this one smells like. Rose hemp. Oh, I can't smell it because it's sealed. But how much is this? This is $10. Yes. See, I come to places like this to get this. But I wish they had essential oils here too. But yeah. Y'all, I'm leaving my hair alone, other than washing it and conditioning it and oiling it. I'm leaving it alone until next year. Oh, look. Is this mayo? It is. I don't know what this is. Scalp care. I don't know about that. But yeah, I use cream like this just for the smell mainly. But sometimes it smells too chemically induced to me, so I try to leave that stuff alone. But again, guys, bye.